Alright guys, we have here a 2017 Challenger all-wheel drive V6. My buddy Kent just got through installing this Ripp supercharger kit. It's a bolt-on kit, no modifications needed. Came with all the charge piping, the blow-off valve. As you can see, the blower right here. Cold air intake. We got the intercooler down here. You're able to keep the crash bar, mounts up nicely. This car is being tuned on HB tuners. We just got done downloading the software on the car. It sounds great. The blower is a little on the louder side, but the type of style this blower is, it's normal. Let me ask Ken if I can get a startup video. Ken, can I start it real quick? Uh-huh. Cool. I won't be able to do any more videos on this car because, like I said, it's not one we own. But if you like stuff like this, keep on watching the channel and I will get more stuff like this on my channel. Just subscribe, leave comments. Thank you for watching.